I do believe we're sitting pretty inside the top 10 songs of the week on the Country Top 40. And I gotta ask, who do you think's gonna take home the #1 spot this weekend? You can hit me up right now. I'm literally just 5 seconds away from you in social media, just a message away. Search Follow Fit on Facebook or Instagram. You can drop your guess. We're gonna find out who's got countdown instincts or who's just here for the cold drinks. Come on back, #1's getting close. The top 10 songs of the week are brought to you by the International Animal Rescue.
Hey, it's Mike Rohn. If I have a choice, I like to do business with companies that actually stand for something. That's why I switched from Verizon to Pure Talk. No offense to Verizon.
You're inside an A to Z weekend on 94 HJY.
But hold on, this song has a little introduction to it. It ain't supposed to be sad, though you might feel it that way. It's a song about desperation. Every now and then we do get desperate. This is a song about L-O-V-E, and if you abuse it, you're gonna lose it, and if you lose it, you're gonna abuse it, and if you abuse it, you ain't gonna be able to choose it, because you ain't gonna have it further on down the line. Things ain't gonna be so fine. You're gonna be sitting there on your little machine, trying to look and keep it clean. You're gonna be playing bingo all night all alone. That's why you're sitting there by the telephone, and you know that she ain't going to call you. So you put on the TV and you're watching Johnny Carson segueing right into the Tomorrow Show, but that don't got to go, so you turn it off, you turn on the radio don't seem to get the click, so you say, hey man, I can't look at the split. You start to open up a little book and there's something there you got to overlook and say, baby, you know there's something on my mind. You say, baby, there's something on my mind. I know that you're home, and I know you ain't all alone. So you start walking over to a house. You get over to a house, you walk over to a door, you start pounding on the door. You say, open up the door, bitch, it's Wolf Good with the green teeth, and let me in. Well, she opens up the door, and then you just kind of walk up to her and say, baby. You look up way up at her green mascara, and you say, oh, my darling. You know, her and me was at the party as friends. Do not believe what they say, there's only gossip that they're telling you down the wisecracker line. You say, darling. Take your big curls and just squeeze them down, Ratumba. What's the name of that chick with the long hair? Rapunzel. That's right, hey, Rapunzel. Hey, Reputa. Reputa the beauty. Hey, Reputa the beauty. Clip me down your hair, let me climb up to the light of your love. Because it's a Wolf of Goover saying to you. Love comes once, and when it comes, you better grab it fast. Cause sometimes the love you grab ain't gonna last, and I believe I must have. You know, I think I must have. You know, baby, I think I must have. You know, I think I must have. I must have got lost.
It's legend. Each sip.
Chairman Barry Gordy. It was lunchtime at the commissary at Paramount Pictures. And on the spot, he had her audition. Audition in front of more than 100 strangers. Details coming up.
Young hearts, minds, and souls.
It's all imaginary, right?
Southern New England country. Country 98.1.
Top 40.
Welcome back to the Country Top 40 with Fitz, where the biggest stars don't just climb the charts, they come from all kinds of places. Some are discovered in writers' rooms, some in label executive boardrooms. But my buddy Kane Brown, discovered on YouTube. That's right, and the world has been watching ever since. Now he's ranking up his 14th top 10 hit, riding high this weekend at #5 with Backseat Driver. Here's Kane Brown.
It's 7:30 in the morning in a Mickey D's drive-through.
I love a day on the water with friends, but my moderate to severe plaque psoriasis sometimes Lifetime Achievement Award.
Get away from you know who.
Saw a lady in a black Mercedes yelling at her phone. She flew by me with her finger in the air, and I had to act like I didn't care. And that's when I heard her ask, Daddy, why was she so mad? Before I could answer back, she said, Daddy, can you please turn up the radio? And what are you pushing with your feet that makes us go? The squirrels have houses and the trees. Why gotta put stingers on honeybees? It's crazy all the things she sees on the side of the road. Out of that window beside her, I wish I could be more like her. My little dangling feet, pretty and pink, backseat driver. One day I'll look back and I'll miss when my whole world wasn't over that dash. It was back there buckled in, saying, Daddy, look, there's a plane in the sky. Are we there yet? Did you just see that dog run by? Squirrels have houses and the trees. Why we gotta put a stinger on a honeybee? It's crazy all the things he sees on the side of the road. Out of that window beside her, I wish I could be more like her. My little dangling feet, pretty and pink, backseat driver. Backseat driver. 7:30 in the morning in a Mickey D's drive-through. 2 muffins, 1 coffee, and a little bitty orange juice.
Kane Brown holding steady at number 5 this week with Backseat Driver, and the man's been cruising through hit after hit. Way to go, Kane. Welcome to the Country Top 40. My name is Fitz, and I'm about to tell you a tale as old as country radio itself. You know, the girl falls for a guy, gets swept up in it, and somewhere...
You give me something, you are mine, you are faithful, that you see. On the ground, but sweet to drive love. I need to make you mine. Somebody help me. Down the street, lonely night.